Behind me right here is factory off-road racer Ethan Ebert's Honda Talon. He's a factory off-road trophy truck racer. He came to us for some go-fast parts in his play car. We rose to the occasion to give him the best we could offer. So the Honda Talon from the factory is a great machine, very reliable, and puts down some okay power. Just putting our base kit on there takes it to a whole nother level. For installation, if you're comfortable installing a full exhaust on your machine, our turbo kit's not too far off. No cutting, no welding, and the fit and finish is going to be just like factory. It's made to work on a completely stock engine, run 91 pump gas. All tuning is going to be done through a DynoJet Power Vision to make sure that you can set up all your fuel tables, ignition timing, and everything right where it needs to be reliable, just like the Honda should be. So our base turbo kit comes set at 8 PSI. We knew that wasn't gonna cut it for a trophy truck driver. For all you guys that are familiar with our standard turbo kit, this thing could go all the way up to 25 pounds of boost with that turbo, so we need to make sure that the engine's gonna handle everything we could throw at it. We built this engine up, put in our rods, Pistons, Headstuds, Camshaft, sleeved the block, ported the heads, and put our taller gears so this thing could put down the mile per hour he's looking for when he's going wide open out in the desert. From the factory, this Honda Talon does about 78 miles an hour when you top it out. With these new gears and the added power, he's going to be able to go far beyond that. We were able to clock him doing about 98 miles an hour down Sand Highway in Glamis, which is pretty unheard of for a Honda Talon. We saw right about 250 horsepower on this guy to the wheels. That's going to give a lot of the big horsepower guys a run for their money. And to wrap everything up that we got on this car, we got our Extreme R exhaust to make sure that this machine can breathe, sound great, and make the power that it needs to. Our titanium muffler is going to make sure that it is lightweight, gives you the best performance possible, and it's still nice and sturdy to handle whatever you can throw at it.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to feel like.
Oh, dude. This thing's got me fired up. This thing's pretty dialed.
So if you want to be putting down some power like Ethan Ebert here, go to KraftwerksUSA.com today. Check out our full performance catalog for the Honda Talon that we offer, so that way you don't get left in the dust.